Hey guys, we're back and you're here. You're going to be doing a group project. Well, a partner project. You're going to be working with one person. Don't go asking for your partners yet. I'm going to go over the instructions and then sit still. Then I will let you pick your partner. All right, let's take a look. So, Chef Michael was hired to make a stew for a family reunion. His recipe calls for 2 baby carrots, 3 small potatoes, and 5 pieces of meat per person. So, that's the basics. Now, your first part, and we're going to do that really quick, not really do it, but we're going to review it. Your first question says, if he makes a small pot for his family of 4, how many of each ingredient will he need? So, we already know what he needs for one person. How many carrots he needs for one person, how many potatoes, and how many pieces of meat. That's all right here on this line. So, for one person, 2 carrots, 3 potatoes, and 2 pieces of meat. So, now we're going to be adding 4 people. So what do I have to do with that 2, that 3, and that 2? Okay, if you know it, go ahead and discuss with your neighbor for about 2 seconds. All right, yes. Heard some very interesting things there. So, if you were doing 4, you would times 4 times 2 to find out how many carrots. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3, that's going to be the answer for potatoes. And 4 times 5, sorry, I guess that's 5. It's kind of hard, I'm seeing it backwards. So you're going to do that for one person, 4, 10, and then 60 for the family reunion. All right? Now, fill those out with your partner, and then you're going to come to part 2. Part 2 is a little bit different. Now, in part 2, you've messed up, or Chef Michael, I mean, you wouldn't mess up, right? He's put 60 carrots in. Oh, no. So, if he were to make the recipe correctly, how many potatoes would he then have to add, and how many pieces of meat would he have to add? So, how are you going to figure that one out? That was a little backwards, but if we were timesing there, maybe it has something to do with that other thing that's in the same fact family. Just a little bit of a clue for you. Okay, so you're going to find out how many pieces of everything he needs to make it correct with 60. Okay, down here, those 60 carrots would feed how many people? You and your partner are going to have to solve that to see how many people that's going to be. You're going to solve those, and then down here, what if it was doubled again to 60? What would you do to find the carrots, potatoes, and the pieces of meat? Solve all the questions. Complete it with your partner. Once you're done, you must submit it. Both of you must submit it, not just one of you. You both have to submit it so that you both can get credit for your work. All right, you guys are doing good on these. You've got your times tables down. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow.